breaking news now in Midwest manufacturing. Let's go to Rick Santelli in Chicago. Rick.
Wow, what a drop. If we look at the May Chicago Purchasing Managers Survey, it's dropped to 52.7. That is the lowest since September of 09. We have Alyce with us from the people who just brought you that report. Let's go through the subtext, Alyce. These are, according to you, and we were discussing this as the bell rang, lowest figures since the fall of 09, but not alone in that category. There's other subtext, the lowest since the fall. Can you go over that with us?
Right, Rick. Here's the stats on this number. The barometer, new orders, order backlogs, and production all at their lowest level since the fall of 2009. Inventories and order backlogs falling into contraction. Prices paid lowest since September 2010. And I think if you look at this, I'd like to look at the combination of numbers. I think if you look at production down big, prices paid down, that combination is a little bit lethal. And it just tells you that this little boomlet that we had since February to April has abruptly ended.
You know, you were here just a couple of months ago, Alyce, and you were telling me that not only was the survey looking optimistic, but some of the survey participants actually had some questionnaires and other parts of the survey. Boy, they were optimistic. It changed rather quickly. Are these recessionary type numbers?
These are recessionary type numbers, Rick, and here's the historical data on this. When you have the barometer, the overall barometer down consecutively 3 months in a row, or you have the 3-month moving average of the barometer down 3 months in a row, it will forecast a recession with a lead time of 6 to 8 months. Now, the barometer is down 3 months in a row, but the 3-month moving average is down for the second month in a row. But it's an either-or situation on that.
All right, let me play devil's advocate a minute here. Let's look at it from the other side of the street. It's still 52.7. It's not 49.9 or lower. So we are above 50. We're still in expansion mode. Does that change the answer to your question? Are these recessionary numbers?
Well, Rick, you know, I think that what you have to do is take a look at what the respondents are telling me. And I have to say, I look at what the respondents are telling me, but also I have private conversations with these purchasing managers. Everybody's cool as a cucumber. These guys have guts of steel, and they're telling me, we have seen this before. It always bounces back. This is just a lull.
All right, I guess from their mouth to God's ear, but boy, did this thing do a reversal, like doing a U-turn on the Eisenhower Expressway at 85 miles an hour. Back to you.
That's true what it feels like, Rick, judging from those numbers. Thanks a lot. Rick Santelli back in Chicago.